Guys, welcome back today. And today we are going to be making slime, which I'm in my bedroom. So I'm making slime in my bedroom, and I just cleaned the whole entire room. It was so messy. And let's just get started. So I just set this up, so it's kind of a little messy. So we have our bowl. You guys cannot see. You guys see that? Okay, so now we're gonna grab some glue and pour some in. And okay, it's enough glue. Oof. Enough glue. So now I think, I don't think I'm gonna put shaving cream, and I think I'm gonna make, I have not made yellow slime in a while, so I'm going to put yellow in here. Two drops of the yellow food coloring. And then I'm going to grab my spoon. And then I'm going to mix it. Whoa. How much glue do I have left? I don't know. I think I'm going to pour some more glue in. And some more yellow. Slime can be messy. I think I'm going to call this butter. So now I'm going to grab my Tide. And pour some in. So it's really getting mixed up. It's working. That's good. Now mixing with my hands. I think I need a little bit more. I'm just going to take this. God. Keep it in the bowl. Okay, so I thought it was going to not work, and it did. I kept dropping it. So now I'm going to put it right in my sink that is empty. And now I'm just going to knead these rest out so I get more slime. Now I'm just going to take that, put it right back in my slime that I made and make it all gooey. And also I gotta get that off the floor, and also gotta get that off. I'm gonna get that again off the floor. It's really slimy and gooey. Oh yeah. Now I'm just gonna put it right back in there. Now we're just taking the extras out of the bowl. Just getting the extras like I do. And this is a pretty nice slime. Now I'm just gonna put it in there. I just have to clean up. going to pour this back into here. I'm going to pop the lid back and going to put it back into its place. And I want to see how much I have like right there. It feels kind of like fluffy slime, but it's fine. Ta-da! This is my slime. Thanks for watching. Bye!